Okay. Look at this. I found this secret.
Hello guys, don't know the code I got you. 3. Go to this. The game map is Blue Pastel Tower. The code is 9050. Waiting.
9050.
Okay, there is it.
Try it.
Let's get some.
Wow. Okay, let's try it. Okay, now use the button. Okay, now let's go and try it. Let's go to my Roblox. Okay. I don't have Roblox, sorry. What is the name of it again? Blue Pastel Tower. It's by Brickite59. The code is 9050. Let's make a private server later. But first we will try that first. Okay, we have this. Okay, bro, there's so many people down there. Oh, but let's just wait. 9050. Oh, why can't I get it? I can't get it, guys. Let's make a private one. Wait, let's just wait up peoples. Bro, I can't get it. Let's make a private one. Cute girl server. Wait, code is 9050. Okay, now let's try it. Okay. Now let's join. Let's come on and let's join that tower. If it's so quiet in here. Okay, come on, we should go here. Okay. Then we need to climb up here. And go 9050. Bro, it's real. Okay. Wait, the one. Why can't I get the blue one? I have two of these. Okay. By the way, it's true, guys. Now let's get up. There, now let's join. You need to put that, then tap, then there. You can control it. Wherever you go, let's go to the top. Okay, now let's speed up. So nice. Let's go up. This is so nice. Bro, where am I? Honor is this? Okay. It's Ella. Bro, let's try it, the parkour anyways. Bro, it's so hard. Bro, let's try it anyways. No! Okay, by the way, it's real, guys.